Hiya, here we are again, Vineleafstudio, and me, Bob. I'm not sure myself making anything this time. This is a bit different. I've been working on this ring and the processes that go into it for a few weeks now. I've put a lot of effort in, and I'm not going to give my secrets away. Um, some people will say it and they'll work out how it's being done anyway, but not much of a salesman. I'm more of a hands-on guy than a salesman. So this is a bit different for me, but I'm really pleased with this ring, and I want to give it a good push. I've been making them for a few weeks, as I say. I've done 2 or 3, and I've done a few runs with cheaper materials, just till I got the processes down pat. But here it is. Cue the music.